Hi everyone. So today we are going to learn how to make responsive websites using CSS. So what are responsive websites? So responsive websites are websites that look good on all kinds of devices. Like the websites we have created till now, like the MNS website or any of our group projects, those only look good on laptops or computers. But if you see those websites on your phone, on your mobile phone, they look really bad. So we are going to learn how to make websites look good on mobile phones also without like creating a completely different website. So to do so, we use media queries. So before we start off with media queries, I'm just going to give my body a background color of red. Now let's see. So here is the background color of red. Now this is just an example that if I get onto like a mobile size screen, then the color should become orange. You would never want that, but just an example. So I'll do @media, which defines a media query. Then in brackets, I have to specify the max width of my device, max width colon. And there are a couple of breakpoints that have been made famous by Bootstrap, which we learn. So one is 576 pixels. You don't need to remember these. So the 576 pixel breakpoint is for phones in the portrait mode. Now I'll open my curly brackets, and here inside this what I can do is I can select my body and I can give it a background color, again a background color of, I'll make it orange. Now let's reload our page. We don't see anything. Let me start shrinking my page. And here it becomes orange because our screen now has a max width of 576 pixels. Now you can like do some more stuff here. What you can also do is like @media max width should be 768 pixels, which is for phones in the landscape mode. And again I'll give the body a background color of green, a green yellow. Now let's see what happens when I reload it. Now again I'll start shrinking. And all of a sudden here it changes to green yellow. Now if I keep going, so nothing is happening because it has overridden the previous one. What I can do is I can add my media query, this one, at the bottom below the 768 pixels one. Now let's see. So green is still working and so is orange. Earlier what was happening is that this media query was overwriting the one below it, because when we reached 576 pixels, it still like saw that we were lesser than 768 pixels, so it was still giving a background color of green yellow. Here you can specify any property. We'll just do a cool thing here. I'll create a bunch of h2s, h2, and I'll just write portrait on the first one. Then on the second one, I'll write landscape. Then on the third one, I'll write tablets. Then on the fourth one, I'll write small laptops. And on the last one, I'll write like large laptops. So these are Bootstrap's 4 breakpoints, and you don't need to remember this. I'll just duplicate these. So 576, 768, then I think, so the next one is 992 pixels, which means anything lesser than 992 pixels. And lastly, I think it was something around 1200. So I'll just do 1200 pixels. So what this is doing is, so till 576 pixels, it should be orange. Then it's saying that when it reaches 768, it should be green yellow. Then on 992, it should become, what should we do? I'll do magenta. And then at 1200 pixels, it should become cyan. Now what I'm also going to do is, I'm going to give H2, I will do nth of type 1, I'll give it display of none. I'll duplicate this 4 times. And I'll give the second one, the third one, the fourth one, display none. Then here for the first one, what I'll do is I'll give the first 3 display none. The first 3. I'll just copy them from here. And I'll give the last one nth of type 5. I'll give it the display none. So the fourth one will be shown now. Now again the same thing will happen here. This time the fourth and the fifth will have the display of none. The third should be shown for the 992 pixels one. Then the second one should be shown. So I'll just make that 4 and 5. Then again same thing. This time the first one should be shown. So 4 and 5. So let's see the result. So right now it's saying large laptops. Now let me just start shrinking it. See, it gets to cyan. Then it gets to magenta. Then it gets to this green yellow. And lastly to orange. So one more thing that we have to do is, like for the large laptops one, for the fourth one, I have to give it a display of block so that that one shows. I'll just copy this and paste it in all. Nth of type 3 should have the display of block. Then in this one, nth of type 2 should have the display of block, and in the last one, nth of type 1 should have the display of block. Now let's check it out. So large laptops, let's start shrinking and see, now small laptops is shown and the screen color has changed. We'll keep on shrinking. Now tablets is being shown and the color has also changed to magenta. Now I'll again shrink it. Now it's the green color and the landscape is being shown. Now I'll go further down and portrait is being shown for the orange one. So those are media queries, really important, like to make responsive websites, but they are a little tiring because like you can't change all the styling. You go down and change every styling. That is where Bootstrap comes in. So we'll learn Bootstrap in the next video. Thank you. Bye.